I wake up and start my day. I try again in my own way. I practice English slow and clear. I learn new words I want to hear. Small steps help me move ahead, learning English in my head.
Some days are easy, some are hard, but every try is a good start. I read short texts and listen close. I learn from things I hear the most. Every lesson helps me stay focused, calm and on my way.
I don't need to be perfect, I just need to practice. Little progress every day helps me slowly find my way. I improve every day, step by step. I learn from mistakes I accept. My English grows a little more than it was the day before. I improve every day, I feel strong. I keep learning, I move along. I listen to English songs, I sing softly and along. The words sound clear inside my mind, I understand them line by line. Music helps me feel okay as I improve every day.
I speak simple sentences out loud. I don't worry, I'm not afraid. I use English when I can. That's how learning really begins. Practice helps my confidence stay strong and growing every day.
I learn slowly, that is fine. Progress takes a little time. Every effort, small and true, helps me learn what I can do. I improve every day, step by step. I learn from mistakes I accept. My English grows a little more than it was the day before. I improve every day, I feel strong. I keep learning, I move along.
Every word I learn today makes tomorrow feel okay. I don't rush, I don't compare. I learn English with good care.
I study English at my pace. I feel comfortable and safe at home, at work, or on the way. I practice English every day. Short phrases help me speak with ease. Learning English makes me